Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Missile Airflow V3 leather pants. Okay, the Missile Airflow V3 leather pants retail for $49.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. The mystery of leather pants sizing. And we're going to open up with that, man.
Yeah, we are.
So the general rule of thumb with Alpinestars pants is take your waist, add 18, and that size should fit you. The only real variance we see from that is, like, let's say you know your thighs are really big.
Yeah.
Right? You're probably going to need to
go up a size.
Pop up.
And then it gets tricky a little bit.
Right? But we're always here to help.
For sure.
What size is your waist?
Around 28 or so. 28, 29.
So about 29-ish.
Yeah.
We've got Max in a 48 euro, so we're essentially adding 18 to it, right? Because you're probably more of a 29.
Yeah.
Your thighs are probably a little to the bigger side.
Larger side, yeah.
And we got a good fit.
Got a decent fit. You know, fits super tight. There's not a lot of wiggle room. I mean, you can see here there is, but it's pretty stretched out in the thighs and definitely in the calves area.
If you know you're bigger in the thighs, it's probably a good idea to add the 18 to your waist and then go up one more size, right? That's probably going to serve you best.
Without a doubt.
You might even be able to go from the 48 to the 50 euro.
Yeah, for
right?
sure.
To get yourself just a little bit more
room.
Operating room in the pants.
Definitely.
Beyond that, let's talk features and benefits. We've got this zipped up now. It's a full circumference zip to one of the Alpinestars leather jackets. These pants are optimized for the Alpinestars Tech Air 10. That's per the Alpinestars literature. You know, I don't think you're going to see a lot of people wearing the Tech Air 10 on the street.
No, not often.
Probably not. It's probably
very
more
often.
Of a track piece. These pants can be used for street riding, or if you're looking to dip your toes in the waters at a track day and you want to have a nice two-piece suit.
Yeah. Go to the track with these.
It's a good option for that.
Definitely.
For sure. Replaceable knee pucks. We have CE Level 1 certified armor in the knee and shin. We have CE Level 1 armor in the hip right here. 2 layers of leather in the seat for additional protection. There's a little tailbone pad kind of stitched in. An expansion panel is built in the calf area. What they did is they just did that by pleating up the stretch fabric that they used in that area. This is their airflow version. They sell a non-perforated version as well. You can see
Tons of perforation.
Tons of perforation. And it's really going to serve to cool you down. It's important to understand that all that stretch fabric is going to flow air freely as well. So you're going to enjoy airflow all throughout that area. These will pair up with any Alpinestars jacket that offers a full circumference zipper. Any of the current or very recent leather jackets are going to work. If you happen to have a textile that has a full-on zip, I don't know why you'd wear leather with textile. We do have people ask that question.
Sometimes, yeah. Not very often, but
some people do ask that question. As long as you have that full circumference zip that starts here and ends over here, you're going to be good to go. There is a zippered storage pocket external on these pants. On that side right there, the liner inside the pants is fixed. We're going to show you in the second part of the video, right, how to access the hip armor as well as the knee armor, give you a little closer look from the inside out. And one thing I failed to mention, I'm going to turn sideways just a little bit,
gotcha.
Volume adjustment, right? Where is the volume adjuster? Oh, the volume adjuster is going to be underneath now. It gets covered when you zip the pants. So you can see it's right here. Velcro and textile with a D-ring. There is stretch fabric behind it, so it pleats up nicely. If you need to tighten this up a little bit, you just simply pull on that, snug it up like so. You'll need to do that before you zip it to your jacket because that gets covered up. If you like what you see so far and need a little more information, just stay tuned for the second part of this video. We'll have these pants off and apart and give you a closer look. All right, here we go. The Alpinestars Missile Airflow V3 pants from the inside out. Armor that is included, knee and shin level 1 certified. Same stuff you're going to find in the race suits, right? Plenty of protection. Moldable, flexible, comfortable, most importantly, protective. We're using Alpinestars Nucleon Flex Armor, level 1 certified in the hip on both sides. Super comfortable, very efficient at managing energy. It's a great thing to have in the hip area because you really don't even notice it's there. The chassis of the pant itself got a double layer here in the seat. That's your high impact zone. Integrated tail protector, right? They're kind of using like a energy managing foam in that area. Segmented perforation down here in the seat. Expansion panels are done by having that stretch panel stitched into the lower leg of the suit. If you look inside, fixed liner. There's a desiccant bag. Liner is not removable, which is pretty common with riding pants. Alpinestars logo, right, very subtle, done in black, embroidered on. Front of the pants, fully perforated panel. All the stretch fabric you see is going to flow air freely. This pair is also designed to be used in conjunction with their Tech Air 10. If you want to, it expands enough to manage a deployment right in the hip area. Stretch panel, when you zip this to a leather jacket, and this has a full circumference zip. Works with any of the Alpinestars jackets. We showed you that earlier in the video, right? Acts like a stretch panel on a race suit. And you can see that it's stitched right to the heart, the leather, right there. So it's going to be really strong and protective. Zippered storage pocket. Anything you put in there is going to stay in there when you close your zip. Got a nice motion panel down here in the knee. Alpinestars logo embroidered on just over top. The replaceable knee slider. There is a little stretch fabric trim down here at the bottom. They do that. It's a little less bulky than the leather. It's going to fit inside the boots even better. Closure. Obviously, we have a zipper here at the fly. It has a snap and a clasp. Very important with the pants. You want to see a clasp. That holds a lot better than the zip. Riding is a pretty athletic activity. Your waist kind of expands and contracts, and if you have just a snap there, it can kind of come undone while you're riding. Volume adjustment around the waist is done with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. There is stretch fabric used right here in that area, right? So if you do need to tighten these up a little bit to get the fit just right for yourself, it bunches up a lot cleaner and it takes up less volume than leather would. Inside the pant, you can see we have a nice fixed mesh liner. This is the same stuff that you're going to see used in the jackets and race suits. Nice and comfortable. If you need to access the armor inside, there is a zippered pocket right here at the back, right at the base of the pant. You can open that up. You can slide your hand down and get to the knee and shin armor, or you can access the pocket that holds the hip armor. If you want to remove that, you can do so. It's just a little pocket right here on the side. All in all, what do I think? So like all the Alpinestars stuff, this is a nice quality product from A-Stars. Going to be appropriate for street riders looking to take that protection to the next level, or if you want to go test the waters at a track day, you add this to a leather jacket, have yourself a nice two-piece riding suit. It's a great way to start, and you still have the flexibility of street riding with the products, and you don't have to use the lower half protection for those rides where you prefer not to. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.